Hi everybody, this is Ryan, and welcome to week 5. You are officially on the downhill slide of this course. We did our midterm last week. We'll have a final coming up during week 8, so we're getting close. You're doing a great job. Keep up the hard work. This class will be over soon. Last week you worked a lot on hypothesis testing, which I thought was pretty exciting. I like that a lot. This week you're going to be working with linear statistical models, least squareds, and correlation factors. Those are some pretty exciting topics for me. A little story on that is my youngest daughter is an archer, and she shoots the open class, which you can have an adjustable sight. Well, we collect data on her sight setting versus the distance that she shoots, and we're able to develop linear models to predict what the sight setting needs to be to shoot a particular distance. It's kind of cool. She's going to be a freshman in college, and she took a stats class last year, and they did some of this. And we've been doing this linear model on her bow for the last 5 or 6 years, and she hasn't really wondered. She's wondered where it came from and how I can do it. So when she took stats, they did a little bit of it, and so she understands. And we actually use we go a little bit beyond linear models. We use some other models like exponential and power models and polynomials. But we use the correlation coefficient P to determine how well the fit is. And we've learned a lot about archery and her bow in particular and how it performs from distance to distance based on the modeling that we have done. It's just a pretty exciting application. So this week you have several things to do. You have some readings again. Make sure you do those. There's several websites that you'll need to, YouTube videos you'll need to watch and look at. If you have some problems to do, make sure you're working on those and get them submitted. Make sure you're working with your week materials early. The discussion posts are getting better. The initial posts are coming on time, and the follow-ups are getting done a little earlier with multiple posts. You really should be posting more than the required 6 posts. You should be doing more. We're looking at what people are responding to you and responding back. Overall, I'm really happy with the progress you're making in this course. If you have questions, please let me know. Reach out and we can talk things through. One last thing is makeup work. Some of you have some missing assignments all the way back to week 1. Please make sure you get those in. Some of your weekly problems and also some of your discussion posts. You still need to do those, and I'll get them graded as you do them. There will be a little bit of a late penalty, but it's better to do them than not to do them. So please get that late work in as soon as possible. And if you have a problem, please reach out and we can work through it. I'm very flexible. I understand life happens. So again, this is Ryan, and I really appreciate your hard work in this class. Talk to you later. Bye.